So here's a quick tour of the Fellow Espresso Series 1. This is the machine itself, and this is the power cord with the 90-degree adapter I used. This is where the water tank is located. So I wanted it to fit next to the refrigerator underneath the cabinet, which fits great, but I wanted to be able to put it on a slider so I can pull this out. And then I can actually access the water tank. And this cabinet also has a drawer, so I can keep some of the extra, the scale, other accessories can go inside of the drawer. And then what I built was this standoff. So this standoff is 3 inches longer, letting me get the machine all the way to the back wall, and then the power cord will be here and tucked into this groove. This is taped down now to the cabinet, just like this frame is taped down to the cabinet, and then this slides in and out. So let me put the machine there, and then I'll show you what that looks like, and I'll show you also what I had originally had before. Okay, so the way I had it before is I had the machine resting on the platform, the new cabinet here, but not all the way back. So the issue that I didn't like is it overhangs the drawer, and it looks just a little silly. And then when you go to access the drawer, you got to reach underneath the drip tray to do it. It just didn't quite look right. However, you do need it when you pull it out for the water tank. You need it to be resting on this in order to pull this out and slide it, which you can see. And then I can get it all the way out. Here's the water tank. I can lift it straight up and it passes this cabinet here. So that worked out great. So the standoff is located in the back. So if I push it all the way in, what you'll see here now is I'm going to plug it in, and then I'm going to tuck the cord into that 1-inch space, and then I'm going to move the espresso machine all the way back and tucking it against the wall. Again, trying to finagle the power cord so it's out of the way. There it goes. No, not quite. There it is. Yep, so that power cord is just hanging up a little bit. Everything tucked behind, and then now you can see this is resting up towards the back of the wall. Again, I can get it back just a little bit more, and then the front is now equal with the cabinet itself, so I can access the drawer, and then I can pull the machine. But when I pull the machine, I have to slide it forward so it's resting on this cabinet here. All right, so that's the tour of the Espresso Series 1 from Fellow, fitting underneath the cabinet, using a storage bin in order to improve the access, but still having the ability to slide it completely out to access the water reservoir. See you later. Ciao.